Hey, welcome to my house. We just moved in 2.5 months ago and I want to show you all the updates. Wait, okay, before you come in, I want to show you my dead plants. I feel like this is relatable. I forgot to water them for the past 2 months because I've been so busy inside. Yeah. If you watch my videos before, you might have seen some of these before and afters, but the basement, I'm gonna save that till the end. It looks incredible. But this space, if you saw the before, it was dark, it was dingy, it was dated, and the magic of a coat of paint, white paint, I still can't get over the difference that it makes. Guess what though? I won. The team curtain war. So we are putting up curtains. You can see that they are not yet hung though. I've been asking Joe every day for 2 months if he can hang them. He says he will get to it. I feel like this is what I'm gonna have to ask for Christmas. But they're here. That's a start. Off the entranceway is the closet of doom. It's full of junk. But the pantry, it's staying organized. It really is. Everything in this kitchen is staying really tidy and organized, which I love. We do have a new addition to the kitchen, which is this crazy coffee maker. You have to have a PhD to work this thing, but I feel like we're finally getting it down pat, and yeah, I actually really like it. And this is where we sit every morning to have our coffee. I love this breakfast nook so much. I love the view of the backyard, and I just love, this was $40, just the power of paint to transform something nasty into something pretty and super functional. We have a little sunken living room here, another sunken living room, but I actually like this one. It's growing on me. We've been here just over 2 months and it's cozy for movie nights, actually, having this little cocoon room. And I love this room. This is one of my favorite spaces. I love these lamps from Amazon so much. I totally recommend them. They were not expensive and they have dimmers. So it's really nice for movie nights or at night. It creates a beautiful ambiance and they were under $40. This TV is my favorite thing in the house, hands down. I treated myself to an art TV and I'm cheap, you guys. Everything's bargain basement except the TV because I love art and every day I get to have a new piece of art. So when you shut the TV off, it actually displays art and you can watch TV too, but probably the best investment I ever made. If you follow me, you know that the week we moved in, it was like an apocalypse. The entire backyard flooded, 3 acres, almost over our head with water. It's all good, no more water. It hasn't flooded since, and I can't wait to show you the backyard. So this is our backyard. It's one of the main reasons we bought this house because I don't like people, and we were really hoping for the country so I didn't have to make small talk with neighbors. It's so beautiful. I love it. The truth is, I don't spend a lot of time out here because I'm not an outdoorsy person. I don't like bugs. I don't like dirt. I'm more an inside person, but we love to look at it. And hopefully next year, we spend more time watching TV and having campfires, going in the hot tub, which no one has even used once. But for now, it's just for looking. I forgot to shut the hose off to the pond. Yeah, it's overflowing. Sorry, fish. So outdoors, not my jam. That's what I've learned. It's nice. Maybe 2020 forecasts will be more outdoorsy and take advantage of this gorgeousness. 2023 cast likes her bed and sofa. I don't know if I've ever showed you this laundry room. This is actually how we enter the house. Loving this cubby system here for all of our coats and shoes. It has a big closet, a shoe organizer. This is the laundry chute right here, and I've recently organized the cabinets. Yeah, it's the little things that make me happy. I feel like every room I get under control makes me a little bit happier. This space is not in control. This is our dumping ground, and I feel bad because it's Joe's office. He works in here every day. It's dark and dungeony and it has the honeydew pile, I call it. Every time I want him to hang something or fix something, I just put it in a pile in the corner in his office. This room needs a makeover, and it's actually getting a makeover really soon. Now I'll show you some of the changes we have upstairs. And speaking of stairs, I thought these were gorgeous. They're painted black. They are pretty, but I vacuum these suckers every single day. They show every hair, every crumb, every flake of dust. Don't do it, friends. Black stairs are a no-no. Let's start in Abby's room. This is totally my favorite room on this floor. It's just pretty. I like that it feels bright. We painted this room white, and that was really all we did. We moved things from the old house. Almost everything is from Amazon in this space, really inexpensive. We did put some new artwork above her bed. These are just vintage pictures, put in some gold frames. I love the way it looks. Of course, we hung her musical instruments and got some wall stickers from Amazon, which really add that pop of pink on this wall. Simple, but it looks, put together, and I think that's why I love this space so much. Abby picked this room because it's closest to the kids' bathroom, and down at the other end of the hall is Izzy's room. Come on into Izzy's room. She is 17. She makes her bed, you guys. That is all I can hope for. There's usually a lot of dishes in here, but we're making storage easier with these big bookcases, really inexpensive from Walmart. And I think my favorite thing is that we attach lights right to the side so that she doesn't need lamps on her desk. Loving this so much. And I love this big map that she found of like old England. It's a cute room. It's nice and bright. She's got her hamster, and I think this is a perfect room for a teen. This is Milo's room. This is why I'm stressed. It's one of the many, many projects we've started and not finished that's on the go right now. Joe did close in that door. There was like a weird door to our bedroom. He closed it in, and he built this custom bench with cubbies for baskets, which is awesome. I'm loving this, but the painters are coming tomorrow, and this room isn't done. We still have to remove all the furniture, take it out, finish sanding, mudding again, all the things. So I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but wait till you see the transformation of this space. This is going to be, hands down, the best room in the house. That video is coming soon. Because we're doing the construction in Milo's room, we had to close in the door on this side too. So this room's also getting a makeover this week. It's being painted, the wallpaper's coming off, huge job. I'm feeling a little stressed, but I'm cheering myself up because I bought curtains that are insane for right here. They're gonna like attack your eyes. I'm excited to show you this space, but my favorite thing in this room, hands down, is this old dresser that I turned into a little makeup table. I have been married to Joe for 22 years. I do not want to share a bathroom with him while he's going to the bathroom or showering or doing anything that's even remotely gross. So now I can be out there. If you have the space and you also don't want to see your husband doing weird things, get a makeup table. Okay, in the bathroom, my favoriteest thing is the bathtub because I went 15 years without having a bath, and now I have one every single night. So I've treated myself to like this little spa experience. It's awesome. And speaking of awesome, my closet. I don't know what to say about this closet. I feel spoiled every single day. I am spoiled every day. I just love it so much. I'm keeping it color coordinated. That's how much I love it. But what I don't love is that this is where the peekaboo thing is. The laundry chute is here, and it doesn't have a door, and so I can see my kids and they can spy on me from their bathroom because their bathroom also doesn't have. This is another project for Joe, but in the meantime I cover it with picture frames and then literally move them every day to use the laundry chute and put them back. It's just so we can't see each other in the bathroom. Now I want to show you the really big transformation that you haven't seen yet, and that is the basement. Down here in the basement is where the biggest transformation has happened. It was crazy. Just 2 weeks ago, the ugliest floors I've ever seen, orange tile. The whole basement is really Clutterbug headquarters. This is where I work, so, I get away from the family and I'm not in their space. And we have a little living room in here because every day at lunch we watch say yes to the dress. It's like, yeah, it's like a real workplace, which is very cool. Loving the new floors. Just feels updated, but I want to show you my favorite room. This is my new office. When we moved in, it was disgusting green, dark dungeon. We put new lights, new flooring, and painted it white. And this is my crafting section. I have a whole video about installing this. I love it so much. And Joe actually put some built-in bookcases for me back here as a really nice backdrop and where I organize all of my office supplies and paper and everything I need. I still have to add labels, but like 2 weeks ago, this was a dungeon. So it's come so far and I absolutely love like this built-in look back here. And right through this door, this is Emily's office. This room had no floor at all. It was like foam. I think they used this as a gym. It was disgusting dungeon. Coat of paint, new floor, looks amazing. This is Emily's office. And Emily really got to design this and she chose this gorgeous wallpaper for this little nook. This is actually wallpaper that's part of the Mr. Cake collection and I think it's gorgeous. Organizing all her stuff, she's a bee. Can you tell? She's super visual. We still have to get some more organizing that really fits her style, but this is like a beautiful office and the transformation from what it looked like before is crazy pants. But there's more. Come with me. This was another room down here. I wasn't sure what to do with it. Home gym, friends. Have I used this gym? No. Do I plan on it? Yes. It has a treadmill that I dust from time to time. I did run on it once. We have some free weights. We have like an exercise ball. The kids have actually been using this space a lot, which is great. I canceled my gym membership, so I'm hopeful. 2024, new me. I'm going to be in here getting buff. Fingers crossed. There's still things that we want to do down here for sure. A little bit more decorating and this kitchen. This is where I would love your help. It needs an update. I'm definitely going to paint it. Should I go white? Should I go blue or a bold color? Should I just demo it and go to Habitat for Humanity and try to find something inexpensive that's used? Let me know what you would do in the comments below. Thank you for coming on this little tour with me. I have like so many new videos coming up, redoing the bedroom and Milo's room, and I want to do something cool in the kids' hangout room. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more videos each and every week, and I'll see you then. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Something really horrible happened yesterday. I know it's not a big deal, but it feels like a really big deal to me. I started noticing a couple of weeks ago that I couldn't read my phone. And I thought, are my retinas detaching? Like, how do you spontaneously go blind? And I was like moving my phone out farther so that I could see. I have always had perfect eyesight. And for this to happen so quickly, I was convinced I was dying because I'm a hypochondriac. So I went to the eye doctors. I am not dying. My retinas are fine. I'm just old. So here's the thing, I need reading glasses and my eyes actually, I need glasses for far away a bit too. So I had to get progressive lenses yesterday, which is another word for bifocals. I'm 44. They said this is normal. My eyes will continue to get bad. And I was like, if I just have reading glasses, do you just leave them all over the house? He said, yeah, or you could get a chain. Or you could get the bifocals. Or you could do a combination of all of them. I'm going to now have rollers and wear nightgowns and with robes. This is happening. I'm already sore every time I sit too long, stand too long, walk too long, my joints, my knees. I have gout in my big toe. I have gray hair that is so strong. It's, you know what the strongest material on earth is? Gray hair. I could skewer somebody with my gray hairs. The point is, I've officially reached that age and I feel like a teenager inside, but my body has not got the memo. Let me know in the comments below if you had to get reading glasses in your 40s too, and if it bummed you out. Nobody else. Everyone's like, yeah, that's just part of getting older. I feel like this is proof now that I'm old and I'm not okay with it.